Okay, so we're going to set up a video here to describe the process of using LinkedIn to look for people in the food industry that we might target who own food manufacturing companies. So I'm starting with 19 million people in the United States, and I want to choose food production. So let's start with that under the industry here. So when I click this, LinkedIn is going to do a search, and now I have 641,000 people. And I say, hey, you know what? I want to just contact chief executive officers under the title, and now I get 485 people. And maybe that's too small, but that's what LinkedIn tells me are CEOs within the United States. If I want to go even smaller and say, hey, let's just do California, I can limit it now to 85 people. And you can see here, these are second degree. That means I'm 1 degree removed from him. This is actually my wife's profile. Here's one that I'm a 3rd degree removed. But you can see these are food companies. Bondell Fresh Americas, Cielo Foods, Rich Products. These are companies that are in the food business. And if I want to change and say, hey, I don't want to go after a chief executive officer. Maybe that's too big. Let me try going after people that are identified differently as an owner. Maybe it's a family business, and I can go after somebody like that. I can put in here a particular type of food if I wanted to, so I could put in bananas just as a search. And I got 5 people that are in the that have something to do with bananas. Maybe bananas is not the best choice, but the point is that I can use keywords. I can use different filters in Sales Navigator in order to get to the audience that I want to reach. And then afterwards, that's when I can start sending them messages to say, hey, let's connect. So here's a place I can use to send a message. Oh, this one I can't actually message, but you get the idea. I can start messaging them. I can use tags to record them for the future, to come back to look for them, and I can try to connect with them. So that's the first one.